Hi, in today's video we'll talk about how to check your Sephora credit card rewards balance. Watch until the end of the video to learn all you need to know. Sephora issues credit cards that not only offer fantastic discounts but also reward points, known as reward dollars, which can be redeemed for more Sephora merchandise. Naturally, with such great incentives, you'll want to keep track of your rewards balance. Here's how to do it. First, go to Sephora.com or open the Sephora mobile app. The link is in the description. Log in with your account details. Once logged in, click on the profile icon to view how many reward dollars are in your account. Alternatively, you can access the Community Bank portal at d.community.net. The full link is in the description. Log in with your credit card details and view the rewards balance in the account center. You can also ask a Sephora beauty advisor to confirm your balance when you are in a Sephora location. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you'll know how many Sephora reward dollars you have on your card. Thanks for watching, and until next time.